Tilly Akua Nipaa na mpanyifo sem yetiti abete no na ne cha no na esanse obi akono de ye ndompo nsu ntina mepa mo nchen wo mo fie mo suku mo asore ana metimi ache wo wanko na bipo na mebisa wo sem odo ye wo medo weduane na wo pepa no ye nuanesen mama kwa baba ye nuanesen dwumedie so na ene yaba anya. In fact, anya Palastown, ye na mu aye we se bisa manfo nsem so aduane o pele se ne anuano enti no wo so tena ase ne hwe ne sua se ne aduane a wo pe na ana se de unimpo no ye nua na entente bi da ti meba area na meche wo wankọ na bisa wo se aduane na wo so pepa no ye nua ne sen Pacho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, your frau sen.
Your friend me Oheneba Mark.
Oheneba Pacho, aduane be pa na
Ben kwan ne aduane bi ate se mo bayre ne fufu sei utun se koye pa.
Pacho, aben kwan ne anuane sen.
Aben kwan obakoto aben no abe oro ho ode abedru begu ho. Na wanua afra ni meko no afede afia na local tomatoes no fresh tomatoes no dey emre no na de agu aben no ho. No awo ni abedru ni nyina afra. Nti wo na afia no wachimu no wayi good ones na den before then was steam na maye bibia wie nti now de we na was steam ho no ene jene na was steam aye bibia na de agu enkwan na wahwie no na de agu we no ho steaming we no nam no ho uria esisu for some time because of use tin tomatoes inti what the normal tomatoes ni be besan gu enkwan ni mu na ope different flavor bi ana different way bi abetum de cabbage ono no betete cabbage kakra bi na de watete de agum na ono so ama ni different way nti ono say emu piu di fufu wie kra na emu pia utumi di bayre mo say fine pa
only first person I say o de cabbage gu abenkwan mo na pato cabbage no explain ne say
cabbage na dey just amobua yo eja yen ye wie school di dada
okay that tomatoes
ni nya just amobua yen
tomatoes they tried spell they didn't call tomatoes
just amobua yen
okay tomatoes tomatoes tomatoes
Jamone University for
okay that's a pa Pacho, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho frozen
Pacho friend Imano Poku.
Pacho do any be pa na open
I'm a aduane mpepa e By any intos for
ne nuanesen
medi kan e de manwa esi jaso metwitwa me je na agum me wi a na ma sanso twitwa me intos na agum nchen ani je ne kakra na ma twa ma de je ne na wo angwan match kakra me wi a na medi nyina agum me twa kakra ma ne bin kakra na ma bo nkosi agum
Manti meko mo.
Refi. Me de moko powder egum ma kanfra.
Say that's it. Okay, na Pacho meko powder no wetin spell powder.
Powder, but try.
Powder man.
Powder POWDER.
Why they was my. Good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Please, what's your name?
I'm called Rain Africa, known by the showbiz name The Exit.
Okay, what do you do?
I do music, you know.
Like what are some of your music that are out there so people can check it out?
We have a current song right now that is trending, Makola Baby, and we have several songs and videos all over the country right now.
Oh, okay, all right, that's nice. Okay, so this story is about a food show, so I have to ask about food.
Okay.
Yeah, what food do you like?
Oh, I love Fufu, yeah, and Lightsoup.
Okay, so Lightsoup, how do you prepare Lightsoup?
I can say yeah, Lightsoup, you need your tomatoes, your ginger, your garlic, you need your pepper, your onion, and you get the fish, eating nama de kinaso, go keeping the kinaso, kinsia, you're gonna buy it. And as you know, you have to parboil them together, then you blend it. And you got it going with your Maggi, your spices and everything, and you add more of the tomato to make it a little bit thick, It's like
how do we say ginger in Islam, Muslim, Hausa? Yeah. How do we say it? Ginger.
Abun the kina chicken ginger. Muna kira is called ginger. Yeah.
Have a local name because they call it hakedro. So if there's another name for it.
No, it's ginger. We call it ginger generally. Abun the muna kira chicken.
Okay. So before you go, I wanted to give us some free. So people who don't know the genre of music you do, can check you out?
Yeah, I do Afro pop and hip hop, as you know, and as I say, there's our latest song that is trending right now, Makola Baby, which is trending and everyone is enjoying it in Accra, all over Ghana. Okay. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Before that, people are saying freestyle. So give us freestyle.
Okay, no problem. Okay, the song goes like this: My Makola baby, my baby, my Kumasi flower. I be toffee, my fancy kenke. Baby, you are the love, oh baby girl. I like your thing. Treat mommy why or do you me free me chain, men jam me ho. Anything you want, I will give you. Baby girl, I like your thing. Treat mommy why or do you me free me chain, men jam me ho. Anything you want, I will give you. Yeah.
Do you have an Hausa song? Because it looks like you can hear the Hausa, so I'm sure you should have an Hausa song.
I have an Hausa song.
I like Hausa language.
Masa kri grigiza, go low like a belly dancer. Masa kri grigiza, go low like a belly dancer. Kinji, kaji, go low like a belly dancer. Tashiki zonang, nache weki manta de baki. Eh, kizoki shigadaki, inshasha miki baki. Aje, tashiki zonang, kizo insha miki baki. Eh, that's like.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for talking. Debbie, beside my first, then I'm open and Miss Machi, CEO of Untitled Chapter. Say, Miss you're not penny and say, boss, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
But you're from Oditrovia.
But your friend Untitled Chapter.
Okay, Untitled Chapter. But you're doing pan up.
But I made them pay money tomato stew.
Tomato stew, yenuanesen.
But you're when you're frying pan and now cooking utensils. I will use our ordinary. Now the oil, a gum. Okay, oil level me. I've been okay, sabolai, I flow sabolai about me. Until the Jane and Shimwa, they now stay, now uchichao tomatoes no. Okay, of flour more fair. I've been okay, 10 tomatoes long by me. Okay, otami. I've been okay, tomatoes say no flour. About woman, okay, otami. Okay, very more. I be feel okay. Oshito woman. Well, I'm talking about powdered pepper. Or the mekwa ayam no. Now the gumu. Now stay. Me say me person me din kusia ye. Inti bemba na ma pie me kusia no na me the gum. Inti me the gum na me stay.
Hey, we are romantic. You dey cook for your woman.
Sometimes.
Yeah, nice.
Sometimes. Inti no. Inti say obe yusu meat so a. Like no na ode oche meat no so in chain into meat no ye bibia na oche na egg dry me say me pen dry into egg dry sana na me dey gum into say fish no me use so a me bubu fish no and also na me dey shame into na Mr.
Who dey shame with there oh yeah very ambiguous who dey shame
into mono so odin so me dey so gu me dey so gu cooking utensils no more na me de emuni egum na me de oil akana me de salt so I come na ma steak akana me de sija so in say ebi mo use how did they call themselves ebi mo use rice cooker they're not so very simple but me use rice cooker me use normal way no the time I me do
how spell it utensil mami
utensil UTENSILS
can you be UTENSILS.
N-I baby. Oh, they say one to the American.
Okay, all right, that's it. That's it. Dan Paucho, good afternoon.
Afternoon, madam.
Paucho, your frost.
Your friend said to be.
Paucho, you are not a pan now.
The Fufu pa Funya Benquine. And wow.
Paucho, I been quite and wow, yenuanesen.
Oh, I been quite and wow, idiot. Kota Bena, now the Jasu. Ebia, now wow, now one. Na wasono so na wawo so webo na watete na wayi ebini no na de gu nkwan num
nkwan no boyo bon kwan no re meko ni de se na obebo
abenkwan de ye de meko torowa e de nema ibre de ka ho na ye de abenkwan no ba me be men dia abenkwan me ni mi ye aha
all right so there that's se one ya akasa